In this video, let's learn how to hide our navigation bar buttons. You can hide this home key, recent key and back key and get full screen display. Let's learn how to do this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and go to display option. Scroll down this page and go to navigation bar option. In here you can see the second option, sub gesture mode. You can enable it. After you can see our buttons are going to hidden. Now you can see a full screen display. Now if you want to go to your mobile home screen, you can swipe it like this. If you want to open your recent application, you can swipe and hold it like this. After you can open your all recent applications. If you want to go to back, you can swipe your mobile edge like this. You can swipe it on your mobile left side or right side like this.